So the bug that we're trying to fix is if the player touches the angel multiple times, it will run the module script multiple times, changing the gravity multiple times. And we don't want that to happen. We just want it to happen once, right? So let's go ahead and see if it goes. So there we go. His gravity is decreased, right? And we could check that here in workspace. Gravity has changed from 196 to 96. And then I can go ahead and touch him again. And now gravity's at 0. So if I jump, I'm going to be flying upward forever, okay, which is not good. So how can we make this happen? Make this not happen? Well, I guess one way we can do it is we can make the angel go away once the player touches them. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and code that? And so we're over here in the angel script, I believe. Let me come here. I believe this is the angel script. Yes. Okay. So this is this script right here. And so I am getting the parent of the script, which is the torso. And then what I want is the angel 1, because that's the model that contains the hair and the head and the arms, right? So for some reason they put the hair in a different model than they did the arms, head, and legs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say local model is equal to torso.parent.parent. And so that's the model. And if I want the model to go away if he's touched, then inside the if statement, I'm going to say model.parent is equal to nil. Okay. So currently the parent of the angel 1, which is the model, is a level 2 folder. And the parent of level 2 is in the workspace. That's why we see it in our game, right? But if we take the angel and we disconnect him from level 2, the level 2 folder, and make his parent nothing, which is nil, is nothing, then that means the angel disappears from the world, okay, not connected to the workspace. So let's go ahead and see if that works for us. And what we should see is the gravity changing from 196 down to 146, okay, for that module script to execute only once. So let's come over here to workspace. There we go. So I think that's working, and we're ready to code the next part. And the next part is if the player touches the second angel, then it shouldn't go down by 50. Okay, it should go down by a different amount. So we want it to go down by different amounts each time it runs the module script. So how would we get that to happen? Well, let's go into our module script and see if we can get that to happen. Okay, so I guess one way we can make that happen is over here we can make a regular variable. Okay, so let's call a local angel touch variable, set it equal to 0. And then inside of our function, the angel function, or this increase jump function, every time it's called, we're going to increase the angel touched variable. So we'll say angel touch is equal to angel touch plus 1. Okay, and then if that's the case, then we could say if angel touch is equal to 1, then we'll increase the gravity by a certain amount. If angel touch is equal to 2, we'll change the gravity by another amount. And if angel touch is equal to 3, then we'll change the gravity by even another amount. Okay, and so let's go ahead and put that together. We could say if angel touch is equal to 1, then do this, right? And then we could also say else if angel touch is equal to 2, then do that. And we can do this over and over and over again as many times as we want. We can add else ifs, and we end the else if block with an end, and we should be good to go. And so if it's the first angel that we touch, then what do we want to do? Let me go ahead and see the value. I'm going to go check the values that I used in my original, because I did have to finely tune it. So I'm looking for the angels. The upper torso. Okay, so what I did if it touched the first angel is I set the gravity equal to 100. And then if it touched the second time, then I set the gravity equal to 80. And then if it touched the third time, I set the gravity to 40. And then if it touched the fourth time, the last angel, then I set the gravity to 8. Yeah, I think that's good. So let's go ahead and see if this is going to work. And we can go ahead and test this by putting this angel over here and then duplicating him a couple times. Let's put him right here. Maybe we could duplicate this one. Put him here. And then we'll duplicate that one. So now we have 4 angels here that we can go ahead and touch. So let's go ahead and play, see if it works. Alright, let's look at our workspace. We're taking a look at gravity. It should be 100. Touch the next one. It's 80. I touch the next one. And it's 40. Ooh, that one didn't work actually. Okay, so those didn't work. Let's go into our module script. So the first one worked, and then the second one worked. Oh, okay. So that my problem is I did not change this number here, right? So if angel touch is equal to 1, then do that. If angel touch is equal to 2, do that. If angel touch is equal to 3, if angel touch is equal to 4, then do that and that. Okay, so one more time. Let's go ahead and test this out. And I'm fairly confident that it's going to work, and we'll be able to move on. Alright, so gravity's down to 100, as it should be. 80. Now it's going to go to 40. And the last one should set it to 8. Great. And now this is setting us up for the long jump at the end of the maze. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop this for now, and put our angel back in the right location, which was right here, I believe. You might want to double check that, or here. Yeah, I think it was actually there. And then delete the other angels so that we can get prepped for the second part of the game. Remember, you only want 4 angels in the maze for your game.